Hello, everyone. My name is Kirsten Bayer with the Illinois Center for Specialized Professional Support at Illinois State University, and we are going to be going over a short tutorial on how to upload your MP4 video file of your 2021 Forum for Excellence pre-recorded session into our Forum Google Drive folder. So the first thing you will do is open up your email that was sent to you via one of our staff, either from ICSPS or from SIPDC. And you will be able to follow that link that's hyperlinked for you within your email right here in the blue. And when you click on this link, you will be prompted to sign into a Gmail or Google Drive login. If you do not have one of those, you might have to create one. It's a simple Gmail email. So if you have a Gmail email, then you have access to Google Drive and you can actually use your Gmail email account and password to log in via this as well. You will type in your Gmail here and click next, and then you will enter your password and click next, and then you will be given access to the folder. So you will be able to confirm that this is the correct folder by noticing the title here, 2021 Forum for Excellence Pre-Recorded Video Submissions. And there's two ways you can upload your MP4 file. First, you'll want to make sure that it is an MP4 file, which if you've recorded yourself using Zoom, it always will be an MP4 file. And you can save it to your desktop like I have here over to the left-hand side. You can simply drag and drop into the Google folder, and then it will upload it and you are done and you can log out. Or you can upload it by clicking the new button over here in the left-hand corner, clicking File Upload, and going down to your video file, making sure you're on your desktop there, and going into your video file here, Forum for Excellence recording, and opening it that way. Once the video is uploaded, you can notice that it's completed up here to uploads complete in the right hand corner of your screen. And then once that is done, then you are done and you can exit out of the browser. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is kmbayer, BAER, @ilstu.edu. Thank you.